Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney. There's Robbie. I'm thinking about getting this Barbie set, but I'm not sure. But we're going to show you today all the plush we can find at Walmart. What'd you find? That's key lime pie, Disney Munchlings. Let's see, it says key lime cupola with graham cracker. Isn't that cute? See the back of it. I'll put the prices. This don't have a price, but I'll put a price on my website so in case you guys want it. This is Sandoichis Series 1, and it looks like a unicorn cow. It's very squishy. Is this a unicorn cow sandwich? Has a rainbow tail. Does it tell? Collect them all. Hold on, let me see if it...
That's the tail.
Yeah, it's a sandwich. So this is a unicorn cow sandwich. And what is that? These are all... Oh, this is an original Squishmallow, and it's Gene. Is this apple juice with a straw? I'll find these and put prices on all of them. I think this opens up. Let's see what's inside. It just tells the Squishmallow date. Okay. And the next one is, found this one. Oh, this is Krissa. And Krissa looks like maybe she's a ballerina.
No, she's a jellyfish.
Oh, yeah.
Those are the
Yeah. A squishy jellyfish by Squishmallows. I'm not going to tell you the prices now because I don't know them, but I will. I'll put them. Oh, here's a squishy Squishmallow Stitch with a star. And here's the back. It says Disney. This is so cute. This is Axel. Is Axel a
I don't know.
This is squishy. Is it a? It's not a ladybug. It's some kind of bug though because it has antennas. It doesn't have a tail. I think this is a bug. This is Loony. Is this a... It's got... Is this a shark?
No.
You don't think so?
It's a dinosaur.
Oh. Okay.
Some type of
But
dinosaur.
it's got little... Okay.
Those are like Godzilla on his back.
Yeah.
Tails.
What's that one? Harrison. Harrison looks like a...
Hippo.
Yep, that's a hippo. Little ears and little teeth. And it's squishy. And this is a original... No, this is a Fuzzamallows. Oh, it is. It is. It's a Squishmallow. This is a Squishmallow. Okay, let me see the back if he's got a tail. Yeah, he's got a tiny... a tiny little tail and tiny ears. What's this? This is by Squishmallows. This is Palmer. Palmer, I think, is a bull.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's got horns and little ears and green fur. I think Palmer is a bull. It's got a little tail. Yeah. Okay, this is Carlton. No, this is the bull. That must be a cow up there. Because here's a bull. He's got bull ears. And they're like gold sparkly. Oh. We have a brown cow at our house that has hair, don't we? We hadn't seen her in a while. There's a cow tail. So that's not a cow. Palmer's not a cow. Yeah, but that is. I don't know what Palmer is. Is he a goat?
No. I
Maybe.
mean, yeah, it's a goat.
Yeah, that's a goat. Because he's got the little billy
Beard.
goat hair. Okay.
Beard.
Uh-oh, he found a Disney Munchlings. And this says it's strawberry sundae muffin Minnie Mouse. Oh. It's got the Minnie Mouse bow, a cherry on top. That's really cute. Is that a unicorn?
Yeah.
It looks like a cat. So this is Sienna, and I think Sienna might be a unicorn cat. It's got a little tail and pink fuzzy. Is this a Squishmallow? Hold on. Yeah, this is a squishy Squishmallow. Okay, who'd you find? Oh, oh wow. Okay, this is. Let me blow it up so you guys can see. I think I got it in my mouth. This is a blueberry crumble frozen yogurt stitch. Wow. Okay, I gotta make this smaller. Look, it's got blueberries on top and little stitch ears. Let's see the back. There's the back. This is Disney Munchlings. So I'm surprised that Walmart has the Munchlings. I've only seen them at Disney World. Okay. This is Caslin. I got fur in my mouth. This is a Squishmallow. Now I got to figure out who Caslin is. Let's see.
Like an angry bird.
A what?
An angry bird.
Oh, yeah, it might be Angry Bird. There's no tail. Okay, Robbie thinks this is an Angry Bird, and you guys let me know what you think it is. This is a pretty good size. Maybe if you rub his belly, he won't be so angry.
Yeah. Yeah, we got that.
Here's one. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, somebody put a telescoping fork on there. Don't put it back up there. It might hit somebody in the eye. Here, we'll put it over here. All right, this is Salida. Salida got a little dirty.
Yeah.
All right, what is this?
Snail.
Oh, it is a snail. So Robbie found a great big snail. It's got little tentacles and a rainbow shell. Okay, it's got a tail. That's weird. I didn't think snails had tails.
Yeah, they do.
How about that one? This is Dandy Squishmallow. All right. A fish.
Yes, those fish from China or.
Oh, yeah, yeah. What do you call it? Gosh, it's right on the tip of my tongue. I love that one. It'll come to me. Goldfish.
No, it's not goldfish.
Is it guppy? I don't know what that is. It's a type of fish. But that's a Squishmallow. Munchlings. This is lavender ice cream sundae. Ursula. So this is Ursula, and she's an ice cream sundae. She's got a crown, and here's the back. This is a Disney Munchling. So cute.
Mm-hmm. I ain't follow them.
No, there's a ton of stuff.
That's Pokemon.
Here's a Pokemon.
There you go.
Pudgy Penguin's plush buddies. So he found a penguin. He's cold. He's got a hat on and a pink shirt. Let me see his tail. Oh, it's barely there. Okay.
Well, that's how they are.
Yeah. What about that guy right there? He
That's
looks
Pokemon.
right there.
That's Pokemon.
That's okay. We're doing all the plush.
Just
Uh-oh, somebody kissed him. Did you say ooh? This is Pokemon Squirtle. And there's the front of Squirtle, the underside. There's his face and his back. Oh, look at his tail. Okay. We're doing all the plush here.
That's $95.30.
Yeah.
Disney Genie from Aladdin. That's so cute. Does he have a tail? No, of course not. That's cute. So he's a Squishmallow. Okay.
Watch out.
And here's Goofy. You can tell by his teeth. Hold on. What, did I drop one? There's Goofy. I have this one at home. We got that one. Wow, look. Here's Lisa Simpson. She's in the wrong spot, but Onika Squishmallow.
It's a turtle.
Oh, are you sure?
That's the turtle.
Oh, that's the
shell.
back.
That's the turtle shell.
Well, where is that? The tail?
That's not the tail. That's his little hair dude.
Okay.
I can't do one over no more.
Okay. The cleaning crew from Wallabies.
There you go.
You don't have to bend over. I'll hand them to you. Here's Zarina. And Zarina, oh, Serena got dirty too. This is, I think, is that a bird?
I don't know. It's an alien.
It's an alien. Here's Donald Duck. Mickey Jr. Donald Duck. Oh, here's Daisy. Uh-oh, Daisy's hooked onto a dinosaur. Here's Daisy Duck from Disney Jr. What about that dinosaur? We got him. Hey, there's Zero. So here's Nightmare Before Christmas Zero. He's got a pumpkin on his nose.
Oh, look.
Did you find a good one? Oh my goodness. Oh, he found Hello Kitty. Okay, so there's 3 now. There's 3 Hello Kitties. They go up here in this box. Oh boy, I bet somebody's looking for that. Uh-oh, I dropped it. The dinosaur tail's in the way. What'd you
Somebody
find?
took the tag off of him.
Oh, what do you think it is? It's a Squishmallow. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Let's see what this is. Here's a Squishmallow 2-pack. Squeaky dog toys. Let's see if they squeak. I didn't know they had Squishmallow dog toys. What is this? Here's a cow hand puppet. Can you make it move? Yeah, there we go. Okay. And we have, this is that lamb. Lamb chop, is this lamb chop? Yep, this is lamb chop. Halloween lamb chop. I don't know who, is that Wonder Woman?
Yeah.
This is a Sanrio. Yep, this is Keroppi. Hold on, I don't have a good grip on Keroppi. I'm finding all kinds of stuff in here. If you look around, you'll find all kinds of stuff. Here's Garfield. And let's see what that is. Flip Zoo. I think that's a sloth. It's just a teddy bear with a sweater on. What'd you find?
Godzilla.
Godzilla. Yep. What is this? I'm starting to drop stuff. Halloween dog toy. Somebody put a bunch of dog toys over here. Uh-oh. He found a troll. Here's Poppy. Trolls band together, Poppy. Boy, I'm going to have a lot of price lookups. Uh-oh. This is Ghost Spider from Disney Junior, I think, Marvel.
Yeah.
It's a big one. You found a mushroom? Oh, you found a little mushroom. There's, oh, here's I can't tell them apart. I know you guys know. Ruff. Here's Ruff. Robbie, can you get Ruff out? Looks like I'm going to pull a bunch of stuff off the shelf. So they have a giant... no, it says Leonardo here. Oh, this is Leonardo. And it's a huge one. He's got like ninja swords on the back. And this is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem by Nickelodeon. I see a... Oh, he talks. This one talks. This is Cookie Monster. Look, press his hand. Over here. What?
Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? Cookie stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Dum-de-dum. Couldn't be. And who?
Wow.
Where did the cookies go? Me took the cookie from the cookie jar. Yup.
Okay, we're going to try to find them all. Hold on. Here is King Kong. It says King Kong on it. And here's an owl. It's probably from Harry Potter. I hope I don't start coughing. So here's Disney Princess Raja. Who's that? That's just a cow. Uh-oh. Here's a Star Wars Mandalorian. Push clip. And here's Super Mario. What? I don't know who that is. They have little tiny ones over here too. There's a cat, a Halloween cat. Here's Chase from Paw Patrol. Oh, Robbie found a Squishmallow Lion King. Oh, wow. Wow, this is Scar. Uh-oh, he's a villain. Okay, this is Squishy Squishmallow. And we have Jerry from Minions. There's Spidey, Spider-Man Marvel. There's a teacup and a donut. Look, oh, it's a coffee and a donut. Isn't that cute? Donut and coffee. All right. Who's that? Is Gabby Stallhouse? I don't know. Here's Sonic. Who are these guys down here? Okay, I got Bluey, one of the characters from Bluey. And okay, I think are we out of characters here?
Yeah.
Who is this? Halloween dog. There's a bunch of dog toys over here. Who's this? Hellfire Club, Stranger Things. Is this a Black Panther?
Yeah.
Marvel Black Panther. They have a... Uh-oh. That looks scary.
That's that Halloween thing from over there in the front.
They still have the little Squishmallow Squishville. This is the Safari Squad. And here's Bluey. Is this the star from Wish?
No.
No, it's just a star. Oh, here's some more. Apple. Oh man, here is a... Is this from... No, this is from Bluey. I really love this one. So they have a pink poodle from Bluey. And... there's a puppet. Okay, so here's a Uh-oh, I dropped it. Hamburger and French fries combination. What is that? Just an acorn?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I think we got all the plush here, and we're shopping at Walmart in Florida.